Hello guys, today we are going to review the product I purchased today. Uh, you can see it's Laviay Smart Screen, it's Apple CarPlay and also Android Auto. So I would like to review it because it came today from Amazon. I purchased it from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. I think this is the display. Uh, this is the dash cam and it comes with, you saw, the 64 GB memory card. This is the 3.5 mm jack. This is for the rear camera and this is for your power for this device. It's type C port. And here is the, I think this is the manual how to use it. And what is this? This is the display mount. You can mount it in your dashboard. Here is another mount. And I think this is for cable installation, I think, and this is extra sticker for the mount. And here is the power adapter for the display and 3.5 mm jack, audio jack. And here is the backup camera, you see, and a card from Laviay. That's all in the box. So let's power on the device. I have a power bank with me. Okay. Oh, it's on. Okay. After boot up, okay, I will start from the beginning. If you first boot up the product, you see. In this video, I will tell you how to install this and how to properly install the rear camera as well, and also the dash cam. Everything you need to know to install this CarPlay in your car. So I'll put English in the language and the date, and here they ask you that how you connect the audio. The device itself has audio system, so if you not want to connect it to your sound box, you can do it as well. But first I will start with, I don't want to connect with the Bluetooth, don't want the auxiliary cable, and also don't want the FM as well. So I'll put next. It's now in the loudspeaker, so the sound will come through this device now. So okay, now how to connect the CarPlay. Let's first, when you got the product, you need to first check about all the function before you connect it to your car. Why I say that? Because sometimes the product got faulty, sometimes the camera not worked, sometimes the backup camera not worked. So if you install it in your car and after that you found out that the camera is not working, or the dash cam is not working, or the auxiliary port is not working, then you need to uninstall the product and then you can claim for a refund or exchange. So it's better you check the product before you install into your car. Now I will check the camera first. Here in home, you can go through the DVR. Here you see that the front camera is on. You see front camera is working. So I will go back, and here is the rear camera. The rear camera is not connected with the device, so it's not working. So if I connect the rear camera as well, it will work. So you should connect the rear camera first in the here this port, then you check for your rear camera view as well. If the rear camera is not working, you can contact with the company for refund or for exchange, but if it works, then it's okay. After that, you can install it to your car. Okay, this is it, the device. And going back, here is the audio channel, how you want to connect your CarPlay with your car. Now it's in loudspeaker. I put everything in. I didn't connect any Bluetooth or anything else. Here is the FM transmitter. You can connect it with your FM. For this, you choose a frequency in your car first, like you choose 95.4 in your car in FM, and you need to select a channel that is not playing anything, like no song, no news, nothing. So you select like 95.4. After that, you came to your device and put it to 95.4. I forgot what I'm saying. So 95.4, and your car is in 95.4, then it will transmit the audio to your car. You don't need any cable or anything else. The sound will play with your car speaker. Okay, that's for the FM transmitter. And loudspeaker, you know about the loudspeaker, it will play by this device. And aux in, this is the port for your cable. Where is the cable? I think this is the cable. This is the cable. You put one side into here and the other side into your car and select this aux in, and your sound will play through your car. So this is for this device. And for Bluetooth, for selecting the Bluetooth, it's the best way, I think, for my opinion. So for selecting the Bluetooth, you first connect your mobile to your car Bluetooth. At first do this. After that, you select Bluetooth. After that, you go to home, connect your device to CarPlay or Android Auto. I have iPhone, so I am using the CarPlay. So first connect your phone to CarPlay and connect your phone to your car Bluetooth system. Then you go this audio channel and select Bluetooth. After that, all the sound will play through the car speaker, whichever you want. Like you want a map to say anything, it will play through your car speaker. So how to connect the CarPlay? Just press the CarPlay and search for go to your phone Wi-Fi and search for this name, this one. When you found this one, click it and go through pair. It will ask for a password. The password is 12345678. You put that, and after connecting the Wi-Fi, that's it. The CarPlay is connected to your device, and it will pop up a new window where you can see your map, your Spotify app, and others app. So I will I will provide you the video as well. I will go through my car and install it and give you the next update. So this is it. I think there is nothing more. This is the DVR for the camera. Here is the video. Like from here you can see which video it's recorded. That's it. Go back. You can also lock some video like this one. I can lock it and it will not delete, and I think it's automatically deleted all the video after the memory card is full. It will continuously recording. So from setting you can select your driver position, the display resolution, how you want to record, like 1 minute or 2 minute interval, uh, for microphone, sensor, screensaver, rear view, language, time. That's it, nothing much. Okay, here is the brightness for the display. You can put it. Oh, it's quite bright. You see that, quite bright. Good. Okay. Now that's it. It's a simple device. Okay, here you can turn off the screen and you put touch on the screen and it will turn on. There is another button for off, on. That's it. So now we can go to the car and tell you how to install this product into your car and everything about it. So